Major water main break along North Beach Street in Syracuse has been patched up, but it highlights a bigger issue in the city.
Well, that particular neighborhood was just one of many that are on the city's list to be fully updated. News Channel 9's Julia LeBlanc joins us live. And Julia, the city has a long list of fixes planned. Is that correct?
That's right, Nicole. The city already tackling yesterday's water main break after working through the night. If you take a look now, you can barely see a trace of the problem as they already paved the road over. And it's actually a problem area that the city has flagged as one of the riskiest water mains in the city.
The orange mains, which are 101 to 500. Then you have red mains, which are the top 100 riskiest. And then the blue dots are places where we've had breaks.
This map shows the top 500 riskiest water mains in the city of Syracuse. The one on North Beach Street, the site of yesterday's break, is on this list.
When we say at risk, we mean that there is a high likelihood that they could break.
Finch says when it comes to these water mains, history seems to repeat itself. So if it breaks once, it's likely to burst again, landing it at the top of the priority list. The city is using what money it has to repair at least 25 miles of that infrastructure, but it's not always enough.
We're doing quite a bit with our limited resources, but much of this infrastructure was built with state and federal resources. So if we're looking at a holistic, comprehensive solution, we need help, especially from the federal government.
Part of the plan right now is to add sensors underground so we can detect a break before it happens. Though costly, it's necessary.
It's about people's livelihoods. It's about the ability to attract and retain businesses in our community. It really impacts our society at every level, and that's why we take it as seriously as we do.
The city dealing with the biggest problem areas first, with those 500 miles still in mind.
Unfortunately, we need a bigger solution, but right now we're just trying to use data and technology to the best of our ability to make the biggest impact that we can.
Now, if you're wondering how much money the city has to dish out in order to repair one of these water mains, on average, it's about $7,000 or more, and that's just a temporary fix. Live in Syracuse, Julia LeBlanc, News Channel 9.